Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to create a EC2 instance in AWS using AWS console. So yeah, this is the screen for the AWS EC2 homepage. If you click on the services in this, if you click on EC2, we will end up in landing this page, and in EC2 dashboard you can get the information like how many instances are there in our account, elastic IPs, load balancer, security groups. So yeah, key pairs. So yeah, these all we will get. So as of now I have one instance that is in terminated state, so here it is showing one, and key pair I have one. So yeah, that is the reason it is showing here. And none of the instance are in running state, because the one instance which is there, it is in terminated state. So yeah, so let's go and start creating our first instance. Under instance heading, click on this sub heading called instance. So yeah, we are in that page, and click on the launch instance. So very first step is choose an Amazon machine image. So in the free tier eligibility, we can just check and choose which is free for us. And yeah, firstly, like I am just going for with the Linux AMI. So yeah, choose the first one. After choosing the AMI, we have to choose the instance type. T2 micro is for free trial eligibility, so I'm going with that. Step 3, configure instance details. In this step, we have to give the number of instance to be launched, VPC ID, under which VPC ID we want to launch our instance. So as of now I am just using the default VPC, and you can also use the subnets. So under North Virginia region, we have 6 availability zones, so you can choose any of them. As of now I'm just leaving it by default. So all the options I'm just leaving by default. So yeah, this video I'm just concentrating on how to launch the EC2 instance, so I'm not going deep into all these options. Click on add storage. In free eligibility tile, like they by default they will give like 8 gigs. This is a root volume, it can be encrypted as well. As of now I'm not encrypting, but yeah, we can use encryption for the root volume as well. And apart from root volume, you can add extra volumes. So volume type, we have 5 types: general, GP2, GP3, IO1, IO2. So based on like what volume type we choose, the IOPS and throughput will change. So yeah, let me go with only one root volume and keep it GP2. Next, this is the tag. So just give a name to the server demo. Next step is configuring the security group. You can create a new security group, or you can choose the existing security group. So let me create a new one. Server demo SG. So yeah, SSH. I'm trying to open a port for SSH from anywhere from the internet, and review and launch. So you can just check all the steps which you have followed now, just in this step. Yeah, storage tags. So looks good, and click on the launch. So here you can use the existing key pair or create a new one. Let me create a new one. Server demo. So this yeah, make sure like you download this key pair at the while creating itself, because later on it cannot be downloaded. Let me create on download, and yeah, PEM file is been, it is in the format of PEM file. So after that, using the putty-gen, we have to generate the ppk file which is required for logging into the instance. So yeah, let me launch the instance. So instance is launched, and this is the instance id, server demo. Yeah, this is the name which we are given in the tag section. This is the instance id. So let me go through the details. Instance id, we have public ipv4, private ipv4, public ipv4 dns, private ipv4 dns, and host name type, instance type, elastic ip, anything has been assigned. And yeah, this is the default vpc ids. Subnets, so it has chosen by default from among those six uh, subnets. So platform, it is a Linux. So yeah, the currently this instance is in initializing state. So if you come to the status check, so yeah, it is in initializing state. So once these two checks are been passed, so we will get here like 2 bar 2 crossed checks. So once that is done, then we can able to log into the instance. So it will take like couple of minutes. So before that, we will try to generate the ppk file from the pem file which we have downloaded. For that, we need a software called putty-gen. So this is the putty-gen. So click on generate. Sorry, not generate. Let me close it and reopen. It is load, and then check for all files. So this is the one. Open it. Click on OK. Save private. Yeah, let me save with server demo ppk. It will have extension .ppk. Oh yeah, let me save it. So file is been saved now. Let's see the status of the instance, if it is still initializing. Yeah, it is still initializing. So meanwhile, we can just go through all the tabs over here. So whatever we got in the details, so yeah, it will be like separated in different sections. Like since under security, we can check what is the role for the instance, owner id, and security group. So this is our security group, ssh we have opened. And in networking, we can have all the ips: public ipv4, private ipv4, vpc id, public dns, private dns, subnet. So all these informations will be there. And I guess in the security, yeah, in inbound rules, yeah, this is the inbound rules. These are the things for, this is for ipv6 and this is for ipv4. Yeah. Storage, we have chosen only the root volume. So yeah, this is the one. This is the volume id, and I haven't encrypted it, so it is showing as no. Delete on termination, so once we delete terminate the instance, so yeah, this volume will be deleted automatically. Yeah. Okay, let us refresh. Yeah, it is still initializing. Storage is done. Status checks, yeah. Once these status checks and system status checks and instance checks are passed, so this here it will show like 2 bar 2 cross frost. So monitoring, we have different metrics, cpu utilization. Based on that, we can along with the cloud watch, so we can just configure these metrics, threshold, everything, like cpu utilization. We have disk utilizations. Yeah, we have a lot of, actually, yeah, disk write operations. Sorry. So here we have the tag, so we have given only one tag. Yeah, you can see that now yes sir, instance is up. So yeah, it is passed to cross to. Yeah, here also you can see system check and instance checks are passed. Now we'll try to log into the instance. For that we need a putty, and before that you can just take the public IP of the instance. So this is the public IP. So just give the public IP over here, and under SSH, under auth, you browse for the ppk file. So this is a ppk file. So and open it. Click on accept. So by default we have EC2 hyphen user as a login user. So yeah, we are good now. So we are able to log into the instance. This is how like we can create a machine EC2 instance from the AWS. If any doubt regarding the creation of an EC2 instance, please comment, and yeah, I will be happy to help on that. Yeah, thanks for watching, friends.